decade, we have pioneered holistic education for K-12 in southwest China. Our commitment to nurturing well-rounded individuals has borne fruit, as evidenced by the exceptional achievement of our graduates. They have garnered national prizes in economics, mathematics, and the sciences, while also excelling in music, art, and sports at regional levels. I'm proud to share that 67% of our graduates have gained admission to the QS Top 50 universities around the world, including prestigious institutions in the UK, US, Hong Kong, and Australia. It is our commitment to fostering a forward-looking educational environment. We are prioritizing 3 key areas of development. The first one, differentiated learning. Secondly, diversify overseas study destinations. Thirdly, digital learning.
A good school is much more than just exam results and university offers, and MCC has plenty of these to celebrate. It is about the development of character and all the soft skills that are needed for success in today's global society, and it is here that MCC really excels. As Martin Luther King once said, intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education.
The education that we offer pupils in 2025 is what we promised in 2015. Strong academics, holistic education, surrounded by the Malvern qualities, Malvern heritage and history. It's a professional honour to lead an amazing staff made up of professional bilingual and expatriate teachers, passionate about what they do every day, in every lesson, with every pupil.